Hello everyone, I'm District 2 Commissioner Ben Koo. It's my pleasure to represent more than a quarter of the 1 million diverse residents across Gwinnett County. I'm thrilled to say that District 2 is thriving. Gwinnett County has made significant investments in infrastructure, community programs, and accessibility over the past year. Our district has directly benefited from these improvements in areas like transportation, economic development, public safety, and essential services. Today, I'd like to share some of the significant progress we've made and discuss some of the opportunities that lie ahead. Let's start with one of my favorite subjects, transit. We experienced significant growth last year by expanding public transportation options, including bringing microtransit to Norcross. This has greatly improved access to essential destinations like grocery stores, healthcare, education, and jobs in our community. The unanimously approved transit plan will continue to serve as a framework for the future of transit in our county. Ensuring equitable mobility is a central focus for Gwinnett leadership. Our research confirmed strong public support for key transit elements such as airport access and microtransit, reinforcing our commitment to inclusive mobility options. Gwinnett's need for effective congestion solutions and efficient countywide travel remains crucial. Our county is projected to grow by nearly 250,000 residents in the next 25 years, making this a critical issue. We will seek and leverage funding from state, federal, and local sources as we continue forward in our goal of providing essential services and mobility for all. I encourage you to visit gwinnettransportation.com to learn more and find ways to stay engaged as all mobility plans take shape. Affordable, accessible, and stable housing is crucial to the county's success, both now and in the future. To prepare for the inevitable growth, we've updated our Unified Development Ordinance, creating a Gwinnett for today and tomorrow. This modernized zoning code allows for varied housing options, including missing middle housing, enabling more creative and beautiful types of homes to meet our community's diverse needs. These changes align with our 2045 Unified Plan, which provides a long-term blueprint for community development through the concept of daily communities. We want to create a Gwinnett where residents can access the places and services they need within a 15-minute drive, ride, or walk of their homes. The 2045 plan guides our county's overall growth and land use decisions. Gwinnett was also awarded a $250,000 Livable Centers Initiative grant from the Atlanta Regional Commission. This grant funds projects in areas like Lucky Shoals and Mountain Park, creating more live-work-play environments with improved walking trails, bicycle facilities, and transit. These infrastructure improvements greatly enhance residents' quality of life and fuel our local economy. Gwinnett Planning and Development is also developing a Centerville Small Area Plan. With resident input, we are exploring how Centerville could grow over the next 20 years. The plan focuses on how redevelopment can bring new retail, restaurants, and parks, improve transportation and roads, and provide new housing for current and future Centerville residents. At the state level, we're participating in the Georgia Initiative for Community Housing, focusing on many areas within District 2. This collaboration provides access to statewide housing expertise, improving our chances of securing low-income housing tax credits. The Park Place Master Plan will also apply the daily community framework from the 2045 Unified Plan to the Park Place area. Park Place will serve as the southern gateway to Gwinnett County. It will create a community-driven vision for future development, transportation improvements, housing, open spaces, public art, and more. The county is also prioritizing sustainability, incorporating natural elements and repurposing parking lots to minimize impact on green space. Notably, the former Olympic Tennis Center site will include retail, restaurants, housing, and 50 dedicated affordable housing units. For Gwinnett to continue being a vibrant place where people want to live and businesses want to grow, safety is paramount. The county remains committed to proactive community-oriented policing, focusing on technology, mental health, and community engagement. In the coming year, the Gwinnett Police Department will introduce community service aides, non-sworn personnel who will handle lower-risk tasks such as road closures, abandoned vehicles, and missing person searches. This will allow sworn officers to focus on emergency calls and crime prevention. These positions also offer a potential pathway to full-time law enforcement careers for those interested in policing. Gwinnett is also investing in technology and data-driven policing. Our Situational Awareness and Crime Response Center provides real-time intelligence during emergencies. Camera networks and data analytics will be able to support officers in the field. The Gwinnett Safe Communities program further enhances this by allowing businesses and homeowners to share camera footage with police during emergencies, improving response effectiveness. Addressing mental health crises is another priority. Gwinnett's Behavioral Health Unit pairs trained officers with licensed mental health clinicians to respond to these situations, ensuring de-escalation and access to appropriate care. Our partnership with Viewpoint Health has been instrumental in preventing countless escalations. Thanks to these initiatives, Gwinnett's crime rate continues to fall below state and national averages. Did you know Gwinnett County is in the 88th percentile for safety? That means Gwinnett is safer than 88% of counties across America. We are dedicated to continuously improving and strengthening our public safety measures. While we have tools, we still rely on you to take an active role in maintaining a safe Gwinnett. Prevention measures include always locking your car doors. Many times, thieves try door handles and enter cars that are unlocked. Hide any valuables, particularly firearms, well out of sight, in the trunk, the glove box, or under seats. Park in well-lit areas, especially when you're alone. Look around when you park. If you see anything suspicious, call the police department. On a general note, while voice calls are still the best and fastest way to contact 911, you can now text when it's not safe for you to speak. And if you're in a mental health crisis, call or text 988 anytime for immediate assistance. Before you're in an emergency, learn more about the tools and training offered by the department by visiting gwinnettpolice.com. Gwinnett's 2024 recognition as the nation's most diverse county underscores the importance of our commitment to inclusive and equitable growth. Our policies must reflect this promise, ensuring that every resident, regardless of income, ability, or background, has access to quality housing, transportation, and economic opportunities. We're not just growing as a county, we are ensuring that our growth benefits everyone. A key example of this commitment is the opening of the Centerville location of our Community Resource Center, bringing vital services to a historically underserved area. This center houses partnerships with agencies like Viewpoint Health and GNR Public Health. Viewpoint Health is launching a groundbreaking play therapy and resilience training program, providing families and children with tools to promote healing and resilience as a brand new resource for the region. GNR Public Health will offer services like WIC, making them more accessible to Gwinnett residents. These teams are also excited to provide dental care for children in addition to other vital services. A new child development center, offering various programming and childcare options, further supports the healthy development of our youngest residents. I'm particularly proud that these services are now conveniently located between our existing senior center and public library, creating a true community hub. Through the disparity study, unanimously supported by the Board of Commissioners, we are proactively engaging with all small businesses to understand their unique needs and ensure equitable access to opportunities. We've identified more than 1,000 touchpoints from long-established enterprises to newly launched local businesses. This proactive engagement demonstrates our commitment to building relationships with small and underrepresented businesses that have often been overlooked. By fostering inclusivity and expanding accessibility, we are building a Gwinnett where opportunity thrives for every resident, now and in the future. As I close out, I want to share how to stay updated on a regular basis. Stay connected by subscribing to my monthly District 2 newsletter at gwinnettcounty.com/District2News. For those interested in serving on a board, committee, or authority, visit gwinnettcounty.com/apply-to-serve. The Board of Commissioners welcomes our most passionate, dedicated residents. For those seeking a deeper dive, apply for the Gwinnett 101 Citizens Academy, which offers an immersive 12-week program about how your county government works. Visit gwinnettcounty.com/Gwinnett101 for more information on the next cohort. I also invite you to join me on my podcast, Conversations with Ku, available on your favorite streaming platform. And you can always email my office at ben.ku@gwinnettcounty.com. Thank you for joining me, and as always, stay vibrantly connected, and I'll talk to you soon.